Hi, this is Kavita Agrawal, and I want to explain how to view the past performance of the Trade Together program. Every month, we measure the portfolio impact delivered by the Trade Together program. This portfolio impact is calculated on the basis of all the stock recommendations given, the profit generated by them, weighted by the allocation recommendation given. The sum total of this is what makes the portfolio impact. Now, this portfolio impact, whether it's good or not, needs to be compared against a benchmark. For our purpose, we use Nifty 50 as the benchmark. Now, this portfolio impact is then converted to an annual number, and same goes for the benchmark. These two numbers are then compared, and the alpha is calculated. If you're wondering what alpha is, the explanation is also mentioned here. Alpha is simply the returns that we've generated above the benchmark. Because remember, in the stock market, you can effortlessly earn the same returns as generated by the benchmark Nifty 50 by simply investing in an index fund. But if you go ahead and put in the extra efforts to engage in active trading, alpha that you generate is the reward which you receive if you do a good job. If you don't do a good job, then it will be hard for you to meet the benchmark. So when you're judging any manager, any portfolio manager, any fund manager, or any mutual fund, the performance is always compared with the benchmark performance. Now, with respect to the Trade Together program, we post the performance month on month. The reason is that our holding period is anywhere between 2 weeks to 3 months. The average holding period is around 27 days. As such, it makes sense to look at the performance on a monthly basis.